This truck was born with a 362 barrel, which is arguably one of Ford's worst engines. So after 38,000 miles, the original owner pulled it out, and from a 1967 Washington State Police Interceptor, we've got a 428 Cobra jet. Factory air, Holley sniper fuel injection, MSD electronic ignition. It runs beautifully. And it pulls real strong and doesn't burn a drop. Weeps a little bit of oil, I think, from the oil pan gasket, but it just runs beautifully, and you'll see it going in the other videos.